I'm Robert Rodriguez. Check out this gut-ripping red band trailer for my new movie, Machete. You need to be over 18 to watch, and thanks to IGN for being local enough to put this on their site.
He's coming after us.
He's laying waste to everything that gets in his fucking path.
That looks like me.
Back the fuck up and watch.
Danny Trejo. Steven Seagal. Michelle Rodriguez. With Jessica Alba. And Robert De Niro. Machete.
It's not safe for you to be here.
I'm not looking for safe.
No, I mean, it's not safe for me for you to be here. I absolve you of all your sins. Now get the fuck out.